While many natural remedies have been passed down through generations, it's important to remember that not all of them are effective or safe. However, there are several that have scientific backing and can be helpful for common ailments. Here are 5 natural remedies that actually work. 1. Honey for cough. Honey has been used for centuries to soothe a cough. Research suggests it may be as effective as cough suppressants, especially for children. One study found that honey was more effective than dextromethorphan, a common cough suppressant, in reducing nighttime cough and improving sleep quality in children with upper respiratory tract infections. 2. Ginger for nausea. Ginger is a well-known natural remedy for nausea, and its effectiveness is supported by science. Studies have shown that ginger can be helpful in reducing nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness, morning sickness, and chemotherapy. 3. Chamomile tea for sleep. Chamomile tea is a popular bedtime drink, known for its calming properties. Studies suggest that chamomile may help improve sleep quality, especially for people with mild insomnia. It's believed that chamomile may work by binding to specific receptors in the brain that promote relaxation and sleep. 4. Turmeric for inflammation. Turmeric, the golden spice, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Numerous studies have shown that curcumin can be effective in reducing inflammation associated with various conditions, such as arthritis, pain, and inflammatory bowel disease. 5. Aloe vera for sunburns. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its soothing and healing properties. The gel extracted from the aloe vera leaves has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions, including sunburns. Studies have shown that aloe vera can help reduce pain, inflammation, and redness associated with sunburn. It's important to remember that natural remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment.
Always consult with your doctor before trying any new remedy, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications.
The effectiveness of natural remedies can vary from person to person.
What works for one person may not work for another.
It's important to use high-quality ingredients when trying natural remedies.
For example, make sure you are using pure honey, organic ginger, and food-grade aloe vera gel.
By choosing evidence-based natural remedies and using them judiciously, you can experience their potential benefits and complement your overall well-being.
If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.